Greetings, my drinking buddies. Today we're talking about highball cocktails. These involve using soda as a base, and they're really easy to make. They're going to be super delicious, and you're going to want to stay tuned for all three.
I'm your drinking buddy.
Buddies, so you're going to need a jigger, no shaker, stirring spoon, and some nice glasses. Let's get some ice first. All right, drinking buddies. So first things first, when you're making a highball, I recommend filling it all the way up with ice, or almost all the way up with ice. And this first one is one I've been making for quite a while. You're gonna really like it. It's one of my favorites, and it's a really great crowd pleaser. It's my adult Dr. Pepper. And we're gonna begin with 2 ounces of wild turkey. If you don't have wild turkey, you could use a different bourbon. But I recommend wild turkey because it is pretty yummy. So 2 ounces of bourbon, followed by a ½ ounce of maraschino. This is our cherry liqueur that we like to use a lot on this channel. And it's going to give an extra layer of great flavor to this cocktail, this highball cocktail. Next up, I'm going to use some Dr. Pepper. Now, I got this nice real sugar Dr. Pepper at the store, and let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, it's just got a wonderful flavor to it. A little better than regular Dr. Pepper, a little spicier. It's supposed to be based off the original recipe. Oh yeah, sweeter too. All right, let's pour in some Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna fill it to the top. It's about 5 ounces. About 4 ounces. I'm gonna give it just a nice easy stir. We're gonna garnish it with some maraschino cherries. Adult Dr. Pepper.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, the next one up is going to be your drinking buddy's low carb rum highball. And we're going to begin this one with 1.5 ounces of aged rum. I'm using Bacardi 8. You could use a different aged rum if you have one. I really like this Bacardi 8. It's got a great flavor to it. 1.5 ounces Bacardi 8. Next up, we're going to do ½ ounce of coconut rum. This is going to be the only place where we're getting real sugar in this drink. So, only using ½ ounce though. I'm going to do a couple dashes of orange bitters. And for our soda component, we're going to use 7-Up Zero. This is a really quality diet soda. Blindfolded, I'm not sure I could pick it out between this and a regular 7-Up. Maybe on the aftertaste, but it is really close. We're going to give it a nice stir. We're going to garnish it with a wheel of lime, as well as this nice spiral of lime zest. Your drinking buddy's low carb rum highball.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, so next up we're going to do a gin highball, and we're going to break out our channel MVP cheap gin, and we're going to do 2 ounces. 2 ounces of cheap gin. And do a dash of Angostura bitters. We are going to do a ½ ounce, or if you like your drink sweeter, you could do a full ounce of Grenadine. I'm going to do a half because I don't want it to be too sweet. 1/2 ounce of grenadine. This is homemade. You can use the bottled stuff, or you could check out my short where I teach you how to make the homemade stuff. And next up, we're going to top it with club soda. About 3 to 5 ounces. Give it a stir. Since we're incorporating syrup, we're going to stir this one just a little longer than we did the last one. And we are going to garnish this with some lemon. Lemon twist. And twist it up and just drop it right on in. Gin highball.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, drinking buddies, let's try all three and see which one tastes the best. So first up, we have our adult Dr. Pepper. Oh yeah, very nice. This Dr. Pepper, it's got some really great flavor to it. Mixes really nicely with the bourbon. Get a lot of vanilla flavor out of the two. They complement each other really nicely. And then the cherry flavor from the maraschino is not being, I don't want to downplay that. It's really nice in here. This one's been a staple around my house for a while because it's so good. Let's try our gin highball. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dare I say I like it better than the adult Dr. Pepper, but I do. The gin is really nice, coming through a lot of those Christmas flavors. The juniper flavor is really strong. The lemon is giving it a lot, just despite the fact that the only lemon in here is coming from this piece of lemon zest. Grenadine's giving it a nice sweetness. And yeah, this is a really quality highball. A Drinking Buddy original, of course. If you like gin, you'll love this one. All right, last up, we have our low carb rum highball. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The prominent flavor on this one is the rum, more so than the other ones. The other two cocktails, the soda takes over a lot more than this one. This one you get a lot of rum flavor. But that aged rum is a really nice flavor. It kind of gives it a cola element, even though this was made with 7-Up. Adding in the lime zest helps balance it out a little bit, and you get a little bit more citrus. Very good low carb highball. Well, your drinking buddies, I appreciate you watching. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think I should do in the next episode. I really love your feedback, and I like to hear what you'd like to see me do next. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube-y things. And if you do that, I can make more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.